So you still have the right of way. That's known as covering. So this is where it's good to have your crew watching out for you.
I don't know where I'm going.
Because when I'm racing, the only thing I'm looking at is those telltales.
The buoy is right here. Straight ahead.
Oh, now I see it. Okay.
That's traffic.
You do have a boat coming across.
Yeah.
There.
So I can go behind it if I need to.
You're going to go behind it.
I don't think I'm going to need to, am I?
It's going to pass in front of you. Okay, you're pretty close to the mark, so you want to stay up as much as you can.
Can't go much higher.
Well, if you got a tack, you got a tack. You're going to come into it fast. Slowing it down. Just go past it. Just go past it. Just keep sailing. No. Just don't make it.
Yeah, don't pinch it too much. At the last second, you can pinch it up.
Alright, so guys, we're going to do another jibe here. Y'all ready?
Well, first you're going to let out, and then you're going to jump. So down in the Traveler. Down in the Traveler.
Traveler down.
Alright, we're not going to jibe. We're not going to jibe just yet. We're not going to jibe just yet. Let's just go out. Let's get on the reach. Look at your window.
We're not.
We got a reach here, folks. Now we're jibing.
Just jibe.
Now we are.
Fine, that was accidental.
Turn 100.
Right now we just want to get it. Now,
Heat it up and turn this window.
go ahead and just steer off. So we can wind the sails.
Maybe somebody else wants to take it up.
Really? All right. I'll do it.
So what's your job? I'll take it.
Over there.
Okay,
now
you're very close to a jibe here.
You're watching that window. You want to get that the arrow
On the cat.
You want to sail, be able to wind and sail. There you go.
Ready to jibe? I don't hear you.
Jibe?
Ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, jibe.
Much further down on the Traveler.
I can't look at the sun right now. Everybody but her.
Or you can pick out just a point on the land once you figure out what the heck you want to be on.
would do the sheet right now.
Do the sheet now. We're getting
Who's got
close.
right away here? Us or them?
And Bill number 2 is going to be getting ready to winch on next. Yeah, just let that
I'm going to be getting ready to do what? Am I number 2?
We're going to come up into the wind.
Uh-huh.
So as we do, that's going to be your job to bring that sail in and grind it in. You're going to need someone to help you tail. Diana's going to grind and you're going to
Ready to dive?
You're not going to jive.
No.
You're not doing anything.
And just say, ready to tighten up.
Oh,
Ready to tighten up.
ready to tighten up?
Yes.
All right. Tighten up.
You want to come follow the river. Use both hands. Get on that grinder. You got a tailer? Yes. Just let go.
Get over it. Go in the air and get over it.
Get on top of it. You got a long ways to go. Fancy.
I think the red one's easier.
Red ones are faster, I think.
Get it in. Way too far off. Okay, there you go.
We can, if we were really racing, we'd skirt that and bring it in another 6 inches or so.
Just bring it in to where it touches the light on it.
Not going anymore.
Okay, now you're obviously running them down, so you know you're going to have to do something. What do you think you're going to do?
Don't we going to go that way?
Yeah. Even if you weren't going that way, let's say you were going that way, you have to go way down low.
Yes.
What are you going to do?
Either go that way or that way. Tack.
Tack? Tell your crew ready for tack.
Ready for tack?
Oh wait, they're tack.
Oh, they're tacking. Never mind.
Oh, I think you're ready for attack.
We were going to
We're going
tack.
to.
We were discussing that.
Go this way.
But it's looking at your, if you're the skipper, you're looking at, yeah, see a
This
problem.
way.
Or if you're crew, you're looking at, you see a problem, and you're looking at your skipper and you're saying, what should I do? Best thing you can do is communicate, not yell.
Right.
Everybody's out here for fun.
And then, but
It's
you
just,
see
hey,
how
don't feel the right now.
That's why I like this one. So now we go
Next
over
step.
this one. You might prefer the red one. It's shorter and you might like
I would try
more
to.
muscles this way. I like use my body weight on
You
top of
try
it.
to. Just
So if you're using your
in the boat I sail, it's really hard to do that. But with tack,
Theoretically, though, yes. Since we sort of want to head to that marker, don't we want to sort of head that direction?
it's your call. You're driving.
Okay. So, ready to tack?
Ready?
Ready?
ready, I'm
The
ready.
wrong guy.
I know.
I'm ready.
Okay, ready? Okay, so,
Bill 2's releasing and you're grinding. You're tailing.
okay, ready? Yep. Let's tack.
So you've gone over to
What is the name of this boat?
Avante.
Avante?
Avante.
Avante. It really moves.
something that slipped.
You wait for the sail to start tilting, the wind push against it. Because if you wait till the right
We need to
time,
tighten up on the...
and she pulls at the right time, it's easy as pie. But the way we're doing it is we're getting way out there and you pull the right time. Oh yeah. Yeah, but it's fine. It's like that. Because there's something pulling on the other side. You have to let it out. And when that time, you just go.
As soon as that sail's done, come on. Speak up. Go ahead. I need help.
Now let out a little now. Not too tight.
The skipper. if we practice tacking.
You can make it.
So you want me to tack?
Yes.
That way now? That way?
Which way's attack?
I thought it was that way.
You're hitting an irons now. You're not watching the
Now,
ball.
see, you're distracting me.
That's the hardest thing about driving is you get distracted with your crew.
Alright, so can we tack? And go that way?
If you want to, I'm ready.
Alright.
You're the
Except
skipper.
I don't have
Are you
a winch.
ready
I
to
don't have a
tack?
winch.
Ready.
Wait.
Okay.
Ready?
Alright, tacking.
All right, we're ready.
Good tack.
Yeah, so when you pull it in for the first time, don't lock it in, like leave it like maybe 2 or 3 if it's super windy, wraps, but don't lock it and pull. So, because it pulls easier, you can get in faster.
A reach
The whole
to me
point is to get
when
in
it's
as
coming
fast
from
as you
so much
can.
from the other
boat.
side.
Because
that you
otherwise,
have
the
to-
further it goes out, the harder it'll be to get in.
Winds come up. This is the boat.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah. You're having
So that makes all the difference.
We got the sail.
sails to reach out and grab the wind. Is that where that's coming from?
I don't know where they come from.
There's no
sailor-
logic
Some
necessarily to
sailor
that.
might have been drunk when he came up with that.
Okay.
Hey, see where the mark is?
Can we jibe now? Are we ready?
Are you gonna jibe or are you
I'm
gonna
gonna go
tack?
that way.
What is that, a jibe or a tack?
We just tacked till we went that way.
The tack
back.
is head to wind, right? You're not
Oh, it's
watching
not
the
left or
boat.
right. Okay. It's not left or right, it's the wind. So we're tacking again?
I'm not sure
You're
what we're
starting.
doing.
Okay, we're gonna tack.
Okay.
Ready
Yeah.
to tack. Ready. Let's tack.
Okay, you can let go now.
You gotta
Get the idea.
You're watching the sail. You're gonna tell Anna when to stop.
I got it, Anna.
That's good. You can ease that down. We're on a reach. Bill 3. Go ahead and ease it. Look where we're at. Look where the wind's at.
Oh,
We're on a reach.
oh. What is this doing?
Let the traveler
That
down.
way?
Where's the mark? Yep.
Let it down. There you go.
Hey, all the way down from the traveler.
I thought you always wanted to tack into the wind.
You tack through the wind.
Well, I mean, each
Okay.
time you turn.
Watch your.
No.
Where did they come?
You are right on the edge, so you make sure you're watching that.
The wind behind us, so
Or you can look here.
What are these? Hey, wouldn't this be easier?
What is that?
Oh. That would be so
That,
much easier.
that responds a little bit slower than that does. but,
Oh,
yeah.
oh, really?
That actually makes an adjustment for true and apparent.
So is it 69 feet deep? Is that what that says?
Watch your index. You don't want to be dead down there. You want to fill the head sail.
Gotcha. Well, yeah, that's turning. Uh-huh. Man, it really moves fast. Like, you don't have to do very much at all.
Straighten it up.
Okay. Okay.
And you're locked in.
We will pretty soon. Yep.
Bring that in. Mike was saying 7:30. 7:30 now.
Yeah. I think we can get it in one more lap, and that'll be about it.
Okay. So, Donna, do you want to drive? Or Anna, do you want to drive?
For Beth?
Or Beth? Donna, do you want to? Sure. All right. Thank you.
Yeah. So we
Well-
can switch out on the Traveler and Maine.
Who wants? I'll take the Traveler.
Is the running lights going?
Hmm?
Is the running lights going?
All right, I'm doing something wrong
think our
here.
stern's
Tight-
burnt
can you
out.
tighten that anymore? Which way do I need to turn? Because she's
Yeah,
way.
bows on.
How to best catch the wind? Okay.
Somebody coming up on your. You want to get that arrow right on that tap.
right, what about this boat to my right?
Don't
We
run
gotta
into
keep
it.
clear of you.
It has two, or?
They have to keep clear. You're
Okay.
lowered bow. You're below them.
Don't make any sudden moves.
Just start chasing them. They'll have to run
No
away.
reason. If you're ever in doubt, it's just better to, and it's also a rule, avoid contact with another boat. If you have an opportunity, if you have an opportunity, if you
an
have an
unsaid rule.
opportunity to avoid contact, you are obligated to do so, whether you have rights or
Let that
not.
out just a little.
And just speaking from experience,
Slowly.
people
Slow
talk
it on
about
out. A little bit
protests
more.
and rules and all that. You're 99 you're just so much better off settling on the water and avoiding someone and just sailing your own race and going fast.
So where are we going?
Try to let it out some more.
Whenever you're ready to jibe, you can jibe.
Okay, now,
You gotta call it.
I'm sorry. Attack is into the wind or away from
Bill.
the wind?
Bill 2.
You're gonna jibe. So you're
See
gonna
Bill 2 or
wind's
Bill
gonna
2
come
or
from
Bill
this
3.
side over to here.
Bill 2.
Yes. Do not release
Everything's already
that
way,
traveler,
so
because it'll yank it right out of your hand.
We're going this way?
The wind's gonna
Yeah.
come. You're gonna put the boom on this side of the boat.
Okay. All right. Prepare to jibe. Ready.
Jibe away.
Where you at?
We be jibing.
Pull, pull, pull.
Little free, there you go.
Okay, now you can release the traveler. You have to pull up on it, pop it.
Now you're on a reach, so not too far. Not too far in on the jib.
Now where do I want
We don't need no
the arrow
stinking
now?
handle.
On the other one, I was keeping it on.
Well, you can steer for the.
So just do it visually. Okay.
Yeah, they're gonna need to bring
What about
the
this
jib
boat?
in.
What about this boat? Where's that boat?
As the skipper's coming up into the wind,
Okay, what about that boat? Who's got the right of way?
they need to stay clear of you. Well, they're starboard right now.
Okay.
And we're
Good
leeward.
point.
Now where do we want to go?
You want to come up into the wind, and as the boat comes into the wind, start bringing the traveler up and start bringing the jib in. See how it's luffing right now? So someone needs to help you grind or tail. Traveler up, keep bringing it up until the boom's in the middle of the boat. Keep going, traveler.
Slowly start to wind
There you go.
down.
About the middle.
Might just take it to hopping out of there. I think it's getting too smooth. File to notch.
You can get them like redone.
Yeah, this part you can get the
Yeah.
put a sandblaster on it.
Yep.
Mine are they're old and there's no parts available for them anymore. So I'm in
That's
I
really
can
impressive
go around
to
with
be
a
able
battery
to,
about that big.
little springs inside them all come solid. I actually found
It's really
a
impressive to
company
be able to
I could
sail
find-
so straight
it's a
as the
spring
wind.
manufacturer.
You're a little
Picked
too
some out of
far
the
into
catalog.
it.
They were pretty good, but they're still not so.
I replaced it not long ago after Marilyn hit me.
That'll make it easy to round it.
I was-
Follow that boat.
An LED stern light is $100.
A moving marker.
You gotta get shot really hard. That one might be like $5.
Alright, rudder up.
You mean the mold?
There's some that's probably a good top quality.
Yeah. Is it LED?
That one's not. But that one's not that old.
Place
It's
all
just
mine.
like maybe got some corrosion in there or something.
Okay, I'm sorry.
make
Night
them tack.
voyages we do out here.
Tell me again.
It just makes me feel better.
I'll show you on the top.
Oh,
So right now we're into the right now
LEDs were the best thing before that.
Right now,
This year was amazing.
The wind's coming this way.
So that's a
Boat's
tack.
here.